Hi, my name's Lee Matthews and I'm a physiotherapist, and this is Pilates Rehab Relax. And today I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute Pilates routine that's aimed at an intermediate to advanced level. So if you wanted a gentle one, please click on the link above and it will take you to a much gentler class here. But if you're looking for a challenge, then this might be a good start for it. So bring yourselves into our start position. I'm going to be laying on my mat. I've got a folded towel underneath my head there. Think about those wide collarbones, that long spine, and let's think about centering our pelvis to begin with. So hands over the belly button, just rocking back and forwards a couple of times and stopping in that nice mid position. So the first of our exercises is the double leg stretch. So bring your hands, they're both pointing up towards the ceiling. And what we're going to do as we breathe out and engage the core, we're going to bring one leg out and away from us, bring those arms to the wall behind you. And as you bring the leg back in again, you're going to draw a big circle with those arms back to the start position. And then we'll repeat the same thing with the other leg. So here we go. I engage the core, breathing out, and then in, back to the start position, and keep on going. So for the next exercise, we're going to do hundreds, but with our legs in tabletop. So here we go. Let's first of all engage those muscles, imprint as we bring our legs up into tabletop, and then engaging that core and lifting ourselves up into that hundreds position. Keep on engaging that core. And if you can see that my tummy is trembling, I think it's just your imagination. And then back down again, but keeping those legs in tabletop. And again, engage the core, lifting those shoulders up and clear of the mat, making those small oscillations. And remember to keep that gap between the chin and the chest bone. And down again. And again, up we go. And again, up we go. And one last time. And relax and bring those legs back down again. So for our next exercise, we're going to do the hip twist level 3. So the hip twist level 3 is a bit like the hip twist level 1, but our starting position is that tabletop position again. So one of my knees is going to stay perfectly still, a bit like it's got a drink balanced on it, and the other leg is slowly going to rotate out to the side and then back in again. So let's do one on one side and then one on the other. This is all about control. Just keep that core engaged. Outward breath. And then back in again. And again. and back to the start position. And for the next of our exercises, we're going to do swimming in 4-point kneeling. So this is swimming level 4. We're going to keep ourselves in a nice long spine. Remember to keep that nice wide shoulder blade position and that lengthened neck. And what we're going to do with this exercise is, as we reach up one arm out in front of you, keeping that core engaged, you're going to reach the opposite leg out in the same manner. And then repeat the same on the opposite side. So again, engage the core. And we just want to make sure that we don't twist from the waist there, keeping that nice level tray of drinks between your shoulder blades. And you can really feel this targeting your glutes as well. Well, for the last of our exercises, we're going to do one called the prone leg pull, and it's a little bit like a very gentle way of doing the plank. So we start off in that 4-point kneeling position, and tuck your toes underneath you, engage the core, and what I'm looking for is just to lift those knees off of the mat for a few seconds, and then down again. So let's join in and let's have a go. Again, engage the core, lifting those knees a few millimeters off of the mat, hold, and down again. And again, engage the tummy muscles. And down. And again, engage the tummy muscles. And down, and again. And again. And one last time. Relax. And there you go. So that was 10 minutes of Pilates aimed at an intermediate to advanced level. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you liked it, click the like button, leave a comment, or even subscribe if you want to keep up to date with my latest stuff. And see you soon.